It might be a little hot for the summer, but you know, beauty is pain. Welcome to my channel. XOX and Shear here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. Before I start talking about the specs and everything on this unit, I just need to say something real quick. Listen, if y'all are on Instagram, you probably seen where Free Trust got lit up by Black-owned beauty supply stores for alleged discrimination. I can't say what it is or what it isn't because I'm not a beauty supply store that got denied. But it was a very, very long list. It was disturbing how long that list was of Black beauty supply store owners that, you know, were saying that they wouldn't let them open accounts or would give them super, super high MOQs so they couldn't open accounts. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am going to do a separate topic about like my thoughts on the synthetic hair industry and everything, but I'm not going to do that in this video. But I did peep that Sensational had a few comments of the same, but because it was so few comments, I can't say it was the same exact thing. But I do want to say, if that is the case, I peep, okay? Listen, I'm watching, I'm waiting. I'm looking at all y'all, all them synthetic companies. We will see. I'm also not feeling how long it took all those hair brands to say something, but I said that from my other video. On to the hair. Anyway, I think the look of this unit is so pretty. To me, it is gorgeous. It does tangle. You're gonna have some tangling issues. It's not very bad, but it is there. It is a little bit shiny. I do have a ring light on, so, you know, take that into account, but it is kind of shiny, but I think you can take it out. I love the color blend. I wasn't feeling the whole blonde and black thing they had going on the cover. Where's my... Yeah, I didn't like this. It kind of looked like a skunk to me. I wasn't feeling it, but I like the style, so I did go to see if they had any other colors, and they did. Y'all, this color sold out so quick. I bought this color, and I went back to the page again, and it was sold out. Like, I literally bought this color just in time, so you probably gonna see a lot of this Money Piece Hazel on people. I really love the density on this. I felt like it didn't take too much work to have to, like, flatten it down. Like, it wasn't too fluffy and big, but it's not too like thin either. Like I really like this density. Is like on point for the style. It might be a little hot for the summer, but you know, beauty is pain. I did cut at the bang just a little bit so it could sit a little better, if that makes sense, but I just needed to do that real quick. But nothing real noticeable. I just wanted it to do something else. I really do wish this unit had more lace edge. Like, it really has like this much lace edge, and that's just like real old school to me. I can't remember if like the Shear Muse is just kind of like that or not. I can't remember. It's been a minute since I had a Shear Muse wig. But I just wish it had a little more edge space so I could work with it a little bit better. This was not enough. The cap size fits great, and I do have extra room, like a lot of extra room. It fits very, very comfortable. No issues there whatsoever. Big head, little head friendly. Anybody can wear this because you can adjust it. The lace was a little on the lighter side, so if you have a very light skin tone, it should be fine for you, but if you have a darker one, you will have to blend it out. Luckily, it's just a lace part unit, so you really don't have that much to blend out, so it really don't matter, but yeah. Here's a color view of the side, and just a view of the side for you. Other side. In the back, like I said, it does tangle, so beware. Kanesha is a really nice feeling, realistic feeling texture. I really like the feel of this unit because it feels like soft, but not overly silky, but not like a coarser texture either. Like it's a really good in between, smooth but realistic feeling hair. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so don't go over that. I had my wand on like 375 to flatten this down, and I love that it didn't take a lot of work to flatten down because some units be taking some work to flatten down. I like Sensational's Money Piece Hazel color. I liked it on Butter Lace 2. But this is like a different money piece than, maybe I had a different money piece in Butter Lace too, but this looks a little different to me. I don't know. I gotta rewatch that video. It reminds me of Outre Kamani a little bit, but I have to say I do like Kamani a little better. The difference between this one and that one is that Kamani has more edges to work with. Like I'm using my edges kind of on this one. But the less edge space, I will say, makes it easier to just be a, you know, pop on and go kind of unit. So you can just kind of put it on, maybe slide it back so a little bit of your edges is out. Put your little concealer on the part, be on your way. If you are interested in picking up this unit, I will link her down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.